Good
So,
morning, ma'am.
very good morning, bache. How are you all? Okay, I'm
Fine.
just sharing my screen. Please let me know that whether you are able to see or not. Okay, and if you are able to see, then please let me know that am I audible or not. Okay, only that much you have to do. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Is my screen now being able to see by
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just let me see that.
Good
Okay, is
afternoon,
it
ma'am.
good afternoon, bache? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Clearly
ma'am.
visible? Okay,
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
okay, fine. We have done little
Yes.
bit of the portion and we have to complete the other portion today. We will be able to finish the chapter, okay? So quickly let me ask you few questions. This is verse 42. This will help me out, okay, to know whether you remember the chapter or yes or no, okay? Any one of you can answer me, but say, okay? Okay, how old do you think the narrator is? Give reasons to support your answer. How old? कितने old? मतलब कितने साल का है वो? Can anyone answer? Narrator. Narrator
Ma'am,
here is
it
the
was a
grandchild.
child.
Yeah, child, grandchild, right? But how many years he should be? Come on, it's given. It's given at the page number 138. Come on. Page number 138, okay. Page number 138, first paragraph. Come on, it will help you to find out the answer because the exact number you cannot put, but give reasons to support your answer. Come on. Can anyone answer? Can anyone?
Ma'am, the neighbor was a child. When he was with
Yes.
his grandfather, he was patted by the people on his head and his cheek was pinched. So visiting the patted him
So,
efficiently on his head and cheek.
yeah, if you have to write Pavni, if you have to give a number at least there, what number will you give? That how old he
Mm,
must be? Little bit?
one.
Okay, okay, you can say not one bacha, but obviously not one because he used to go to visit mosque also
Month.
and stay there, okay? So we can say that approximately he is 4 to 5 years old, okay? Okay, mute everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. It's a request to everyone to mute yourself. Yes, mute yourself. Who is there? Manpreet? Yeah, Manpreet, it was you, okay? Everyone mute, okay? Yeah, thank you. So he said that he used to. Okay, next question here. Next question here, everyone. Okay, why did the narrator? Yes, why did the narrator enjoy going to the mosque? The second question. Second question. Why did the narrator enjoy going to the mosque? Can anyone answer? Why did the narrator enjoy going to the mosque? Mosque, sorry. The second question here.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bache. You want to answer? Hello? Anyone wants to answer?
Because he
Yes,
was.
ma'am.
Anji, Anji?
Ma'am, narrator loved going to mosque because most of his friends were learning Quran, and mosque was one of the three landmarks in his life.
Yes, and more. Whenever they were having the visitors,
When
okay, the teacher
would
asked
always
him to recite the Quran,
Ma'am,
and he was appreciated for that, and
the
he
time.
loved being appreciated, right? Yeah, everything you have to mention, please. Now, a clear answer from any one of you. Clear answer, please. One.
Ma'am, the narrator loved the mosque. Most of his friends grumbled and learning the Quran, but he learned it
Hmm.
quickly. He will cite even the chapter of Merciful to the
Yes,
great delight of the visitors.
yes, yes.
From these things, it becomes clear that the narrator loved to wrote it.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, 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 fine. So, what are you supposed to write? Yeah, here that he used to love to mosque as he was intelligent one also, and he can easily grab whatever he used to learn. Okay, and moreover, he also loves to recite the Quran. Okay, so whenever there is something like whenever there is a situation where the visitors visit the mosque, he was the one who used to recite the Quran and he was patted for it and he used to enjoy all those things. So that's why he loved going to mosque, right? Okay. Now, why did the narrator wish to grow up to be like his grandfather? This is very important question here, bachas. Okay, so why did the narrator wish to grow up to be like his grandfather? Grandfather की तरह क्यों बनना था उसको? Come on.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
narrator
because
wished to grow up like his because he was his role model and he loved him a lot.
Yes,
He imagined
yes,
that when
yes,
he
yes.
grew up, he would be tall and slender like him.
Yeah. And moreover, he has seen his grandfather to be respected by everyone. Okay, the most important thing, he has seen his grandfather to be respected by everyone. He is the tallest person, okay, in the village, in the place, and moreover, whenever he used to go out, okay, here also you will mention that whenever he used to go out, okay, he was patted by the people, he was pitched by the people, and he used to enjoy this thing, and that's why he thought that his perfect idol can be his grandfather. So that's why he loved, okay, grow up to be like his grandfather. That he wanted to be as respected as his grandfather, and the personality which the grandfather was having, he was also wanted to have the same thing. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So let's
Yes,
start
ma'am.
with the reading portion here. We have completed till here that when he was asking about the Masood, okay, their neighbor, then grandfather. Please mute yourself, everyone. Yeah, it's a request, it's a humble request, my dear girls. Please mute yourself. Someone has unmuted herself, please. Yeah, mute yourself. Who has not muted? I have to see. Someone has not muted. Okay. So yeah, okay, so we have completed till here that the Masood, when he introduced the Masood, then grandfather said that Masood is a very indolent man. Okay, he's an indolent man. That's a foolish man. Okay, who had given away everything for the women, and the women, that means that he said that he is a must married person, and whenever he has to marry a woman, then he gave away his 1 or 2 fedans of the land and everything what he was inherited जो खानदानी मिला था, खानदानी प्रॉपर्टी थी, वो उससे and then he comes to conclusion that this cannot be happen because if so I'm starting with this like I asked my grandfather why Masood had sold his land. Okay, this is the third line, third paragraph, you can say, or third line. Okay, then he said women, and from the way my grandfather pronounced the word, I felt that women was something terrible. Masood, my boy, was a much married man. Okay, much married means जिसने इसको polygamy भी बोल सकते हो आप, ठीक है, जो एक से ज्यादा शादी करे, ठीक है, which was correct. Okay, which was correct that he had 3 wives. So it was correct that much married person. But when the grandfather explained, it assumed like that he had married more than 3, 4 women, right? So each time he married, he sold me a Fadan or two. A Fadan or two, right? I made the quick calculation that Masood must have married some 90 women. Then I remembered his 3 wives, his shabby appearance. Shabby appearance means not a good appearance. Okay, he's a very एकदम जैसे बिखरे हुए बाल होते हैं, फटे हुए कपड़े होते हैं, डस्टी क्लोथ्स होते हैं. So that is a shabby appearance. His lame donkey and its dilapidated saddles. Dilapidated means the टूटा फूटा things, okay, broken from the pieces. वहाँ पे है. He is the jalwa with the torn sleeves. It's an attire basically. It's an attire. Okay, tunics होती है, the jalwa dress है. With the torn sleeves, I had all. Okay, sorry, I had all, but read my mind off also that jostles means confused. Okay, confused हो गया. Pushing each other. Jostling का मतलब होता है the conflicts in his mind. When I saw the man approaching us and my grandfather and exchanged the glances. Exchange glances means that they saw each other. Okay. When we are listing the dates today, said Masood, do you want to be there? I felt, though, that he did not really want my grandfather to attend. Now, please underline this thing. Okay, try to understand that what exactly he wanted, but what he was doing. Okay, Masood didn't like grandfather at all, and the reason was there that he was always after his money, after his land, after his property, and so. Right? So he said that my grandfather, however, jumped to his feet and I saw that his eyes sparkled momentarily. With an intense brightness, he pulled me by the hand and we went off to the harvesting of Masood's days. So sparkling means like chamak, happiness se chamak utna, and he wanted to go to the farm where the dates were to be harvested. Dates harvested का मतलब क्या होता है? May I get the answer from any one of you? Harvesting. What does this word harvesting means? Yes, can anyone tell me what does this word harvesting means?
Ma'am, it is usually related to when we cut the crop.
Yes, so yes. And more prescribed thing. Harvesting क्या होती है?
Ma'am,
Hindi में give me answer in Hindi. Doesn't matter. One word I want basically.
Process of removal of entire plants or the economic parts.
You can say basically harvesting means जैसे हम आजकल क्या करते हैं, all those who are having the farms, okay, all those who belongs to villages, what is going on these days related to harvesting? What is going on? The cutting of
crops.
मैम फसल
cutting
का
of crops is going. हाँ जी.
मैम हिंदी में बोले तो फसल काटना.
फसल काटना करेक्ट. और अगर डोगरी में बोले तो बेटा इस समय व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, इट्स द पैडी क्रॉप्स राइट, मुंजी जिसको बोलते हैं बेटा, वो काटी जा रही है. ठीक है, अगर किसी के नहीं कटी है तो बेसिकली विद इन 2-3 days यू मस्ट पे और इट हैज ऑलरेडी डन. ओके, तो वो हार्वेस्टिंग चल रही है, दैट इज द हार्वेस्टिंग पार्ट. सो दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन द डेट पाम्स, ओके, द डेट जो प्लांट्स है उनकी हार्वेस्टिंग हो रही है. दैट मीन्स जो डेट्स है, खजूर है, वो तोड़े जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, उन्हें प्लांट से अलग किया जा रहा है. दैट वाज द हार्वेस्टिंग पोर्शन. ओके, someone brought my grandfather a stool covered with an ox hide. Okay, while I remained standing, there was a vast number of people there, but though I knew them all, I found myself for some reason watching Masood. Okay, aloof from the great gathering of people, he stood as though it were no concern of his, despite the fact that the date comes to be harvested were his own. Now see what is happening. There are many people. Okay, if I give you an example of India, okay, what happens, like we Indian people, we are of that mentality that we love watching people doing anything. Okay, we are ready to waste our time to see what is happening. Okay, for example, it was a famous meme also, you can say, like the JCB. Okay, JCB working or breaking something. Okay, अब वो अपना काम कर रही है, and there are many people who is just watching that what is happening, that what the JCB is doing basically, तोड़ रहे हैं या खोद रहे हैं, whatever the JCB is doing. Similarly, there were many people, okay, those who were like, you can say, no work or anything, they were there. They wanted to know what is happening, and the harvesting thing was going on. And meanwhile, he said that I know many of them, they were there, I know many of them, but I found only myself, okay, only looking at Masood, who was standing aloof. Aloof means alone, okay, who was standing there alone, solitary, okay, aloof, that means the different. You can say the whole crowd was standing at the one part, but he was standing there alone, aloof, right? In a single, like in a solitary position, he was standing there, okay, and he stood as if there were no concern of his. Now, his here means like he had nothing to do with the harvesting. He was standing in such a position, okay, despite of the fact that the harvested ones belongs to him, okay, that was his palms, okay. Sometimes his attention would be caught by the sound of the huge clump of dates crashing down from on high. Once he shouted up at the boy perched on the very summit of the date palm, who had begun hacking at a clump with his long sharp sickle. Be careful, you don't cut the heart of the palm. Okay, summit means basically, the summit means the top of the palm tree. Summit का मतलब होता है the peak of any, you can say, any mountain, any building or anything, that will be the peak. Okay, the end portion, जो peak portion होता है, उसको summit कहते हैं. Now here the palm tree के जैसे summit पे गया है, ठीक है. Now what he was trying to do, he was trying to cut with the sickle. Sickle is basically, you can say, I will not use the word instrument, even I will not use the word the weapon here, but it is like a, cutting के लिए use होता है, knife की तरह होता है. So what kind of a knife? Sickle, curved होती है आगे से, fine. So it is used for cutting, for the harvesting purposes only. So he's saying, be careful, don't cut the heart of the tree. That means don't cut the stem of the palm tree, just cut just cut the dates which are about to be harvested. No one paid any attention to what he said, and the boy seated at the very summit of the date palm continued quickly and energetically to work away at the branch with his sickle till the clump of the dates began to drop like something descending from the heaven. So nobody bothered about what he said about the date palms. Nobody bothered about it. So what he did, he was continuing. The person who was sitting at the summit, continuing. That means it was his job just to cut dates. Okay, so he was cutting the dates. Okay, and it was looking like, जो एक scene, एक landscape जो बनाया है imagine करने के लिए, वहाँ पे ये है कि like it was looking like something was descending from heaven, कि कुछ heaven से गिर रहा है. That means for the desert area, these dates are their fruits. It is like the heaven. Okay, it is like, you can say, the fruit from heaven. I, however, had begun to think about Masood's phrase, the heart of the palm. I pictured the palm tree as something with feeling, something possessed of a heart that throbbed. Throbbed means beating of the heart. Okay, throbbed मतलब हो गया heartbeats. Heartbeats को throbbing बोल रहे हैं कि that I felt like something, that he's alive. The palm tree is alive. He's having a heart, okay, which is also beating. I remembered Masood's remark to me when he had once seen me playing about with the branch of a young palm tree. Palm trees, my boy, like humans, experience joy and suffering, and I had felt an inward and unreasoned embarrassment at that time. Okay, that means the feeling of guilt. Embarrassment here, the feeling of the guilt when I was playing with the small, like a long time ago, when I was playing with the small palm tree. I was like, maybe he was snatching or maybe he was tearing the one of the leaf of a palm. Then he told him that they are like human beings. They experience the joy and suffering. That means they are happy also, they suffer also, they have the pain also, everything they are having. Okay, and okay, that means he said that by his words I was so much moved that I thought that I have committed some crime, or I was about to commit some crime. Around for me, I saw my young companions swarming like an ant, the trunk palm tree gathering. So what I say that again when I saw, okay, my
Ma'am, you are not audible clearly.
okay, from what part I'm not audible? From where? Hello, can you hear me?
Now you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just asking from
Yes, ma'am.
from which part I was not audible.
Ma'am, please explain from.
1, 2, 3 lines.
Which when I again looked at the expense. Page 141, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 141 here. Okay? Yeah. So when I again looked at the expanse of ground stretching before me, expanse means the wide area when he was looking there. Okay, he saw his young companions, okay, swarming like ants around the trunks of the palm trees, gathering up dates and eating most of them. It means that what they were doing, they were getting together. सपोज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग के सेंटर एक ग्राउंड है, ग्राउंड के सेंटर में बहुत सारे जो बैरल्स हैं, ठीक है, जो खाली टैंक्स होते हैं, टैंकी जिसको बोलते हैं, खाली बैरल्स जो होते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे डेट्स हैं, खजूर है, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट माय अदर यंग कंपेनियंस आर डूइंग, माय लाइक schoolmates you can say, friends you can say, they are dancing around those dates and they are eating it. Okay, वो उसको खा भी रहे हैं, enjoy भी कर रहे हैं, because that is the time they really enjoy that thing. और पूरे के पूरे सिटी में, पूरे के पूरे विलेज में ओनली मसूद्स डेट्स वर डिलीशियस. वो उसको बहुत अच्छे से रहता था, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ही हैज ट्रीटेड एवरी ट्री विद लव एंड केयर. सो उतनी केयर से रखा भी हुआ था, ठीक है. द डेट्स वर कलेक्टेड इनटू हाई माउंट्स. माउंट्स मीन्स हीप. हीप यानी इकट्ठा कर बड़े बड़े हार्ड, मीनिंग हार्ड इज द हीप. ओके, mounds. Okay, I saw people coming along and weighing them into measuring bins and pouring them into sacks. Sacks, you know, बोरी जिसको बोलते हैं, measure कर रहे हैं और उनको डाल रहे हैं. I saw people coming along and weighing, okay, pouring them into sacks, of which I counted 30. So वो पूरे barrels को जब खाली किया तो 30 sacks यानी 30 बोरियां जो है वो fill की गई. The crowd of people broke up except for Hussein the merchant. Please underline, girls. This underline because when you are writing the answer, you need to the name as well. So crowd of people broke. सारा हार्वेस्टिंग खत्म हो गया, जिन लोगों का कोई काम नहीं था, दे स्टार्टेड डिस्पर्सिंग, तो वो हटना शुरू हो गए. एक्सेप्ट फॉर हुसैन द मर्चेंट, मूसा द ओनर ऑफ द नेक्स्ट टू आवर्स, जो हमारी फील्ड है उसके साथ वाली फील्ड का जो ओनर है दैट इज मूसा. ऑन द ईस्ट एंड 2 men I had never forget. Okay, it's apostrophe for I had never seen before. Okay, so Hussein, Musa and 2 more people along with grandfather. So basically you can say the 5 or whatever the things are, right? I heard a low whistling sound and saw that my grandfather had fallen asleep. Now what happened? Grandfather देखते देखते सो गए थे और खराटे मार रहे, snoring. You can imagine very well. Have in the movie कि वो कराटे जब छूट रहे हैं तो वो whistle हो रही है, ठीक है. Yeah, okay. Then I noticed that Masood had not changed his stance. Stance here means position, or you can say posture. The way he was standing earlier, he is standing in the same manner now also. Masood had not changed his stance, means the position. He had a strong mouth and was looking at it like someone surfeited with food who doesn't know what to do with the mouthful he still has. Okay, now he is saying that page surfeited means just woke up, okay, with the food. Now what happened now here is saying that only Masood was doing, he was earlier, the way he was standing again after all this counted and the sacks were ready and everything, right? He was just stock एक टुकड़ा बांस तिलियों का कोई इसको straw कहेंगे like because
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Am I
Ma'am, you're not audible.
audible?
No, ma'am.
Now, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, only 2-3 paragraphs are remaining. I guess you all can see, and then we'll proceed, right? Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
suddenly, my grandfather woke up, jumped to his feet, and walked towards the sacks of dates. He was followed by Hussein the merchant, Musa the owner of the field next to ours, and the two strangers. I glanced at Masood and saw that he was making his way towards us with extreme slowness, like a bat who wants to retreat but whose feet insist on going forward. Okay, now what happened? Glanced means he was continuously looking at Masood. Here, glance doesn't mean staring, here means continuously looking at. Okay, and it was seems to be that he doesn't wanted to come forward, but he had no option than to just come forward. Okay, obviously he was getting nothing out of all this, so he wanted to retreatment, he wanted to go back, but his feet insisted on going forward. They formed a circle round the sacks of dates and began examining them. Some take a date or two to eat. My grandfather gave me a fistful. Fistful मतलब मुट्ठी भर. ठीक है, fistful मतलब मुट्ठी भर, which I began munching. I saw Masood filling the palms of both hands with dates and bringing them up close to his nose, then returning them. Now, what others were doing, they were checking the quality of the dates. They were tasting it, they were eating it, they were examining it very well. But what Masood did, he took the dates into his hands, smelled it, and then dropped it. Okay, that means he just took the fragrance of the dates, and that's it. And he kept even a single date into that sack. Then I saw them dividing up the sacks among them. Now, them dividing among them means the people, like Hussein, Musa, the two strangers, right? All these. Hussein the merchant took 10. Each of the strangers took 5. Musa, the owner of the field next to ours on the eastern side, took 5. And my grandfather took 5. Now, please just keep this thing into mind that how it has been divided, ताकि आप एग्जाम में लिखते हुए कुछ गलती ना करो. Okay. So meanwhile, there are 5 people: Musa, Hussein, 2 strangers, and grandfather. So all in all, 5. So how it has been divided? Hussein took 10 and rest of the people took 5. Okay, it's very easy to remember also. Hussein took 10, that each of the strangers took 5, yani ki 5 liya. Musa the owner also took 5, and the grandfather took 5. Okay, understanding nothing, I looked at the Masood and saw that his eyes were darting about to left and right like two mice that have lost their way home. Now, what he was doing, he was just looking here and there because he doesn't know what he has to do at that time. Obviously, कोई चीज मेहनत से आपने ग्रो की है, बट आप उसका एक चीज, एक पेनी, सिंगल पेनी भी आपको फायदा नहीं है, आप सिंगल एक सैक भी नहीं रख पा रहे हो. So you can imagine the position of that man over there. Okay, so it was taken by everyone else. You're still 50 pounds in debt to me. Now, see how the grandfather is behaving. 50 pounds in debt to me. कि अभी भी तुम्हारे 50 pound जो है वो कर्ज है तुम पे. Said my grandfather to Masood. We'll talk about it later. कि हम उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. Hussein called his assistants and they brought along donkeys. The two strangers produced camels and the sacks of the dates were loaded onto them. One of the donkeys let out a brake which sent the camels frothing at the mouth and complaining noisily. Now, braying is basically the sound produced by the donkey, which even irritated the camels, and frothing means the sound of the camels, right? I felt myself drawing close to Masood. Drawing close to Masood, that means वो खींच रहा था. He was मतलब अपनी तरफ से इसका जो पूरा attention है, it was grabbed by Masood. He was continuously looking at Masood. Okay. Felt my hand stretch out towards him as though I wanted to touch the hem of his garment. I heard him make a noise in his throat like rasping of a lamb being slaughtered. Rasping of a lamb being slaughtered. Underline, this is basically a phrase. जैसे कहते हैं कि जब बकरे को हलाल करना होता है तो वो कैसे थूक अंदर लेता है या कैसे अपने गले को बार बार गीला करता है. दैट इज द रेस्पिंग ऑफ द लैंड हु बीइंग स्लॉटर्ड. जैसे उसको धीरे धीरे काटा जाता है वैसे ही. दिस इज वेरी बैड. ओके, दिस इज वेरी बैड फ्रेज बी यूज्ड हियर फॉर मसूद. हियर मसूद हैज बीन कंसीडर्ड एज अ लैम्ब. ओके, तो उसको कैसे स्लॉटर किया जा रहा है और उसके जो स्लॉटर्स हैं, दीज आर द अदर 5 people, okay, who is slaughtering him slowly. And most importantly, the biggest one is the grandfather, who had not even shown that much of the mercy on him, that after taking away his all of the like मेहनत, उसकी सारी मेहनत लेने के बाद भी he still told him that he is 50 pounds in debt. Okay, so I heard him make a noise. Okay, this was given. I ran off into the distance. Now the last paragraph is very much important here. Please just see to it. It's very important. I ran off into the distance, hearing my grandfather call after me. I hesitated a little, then continued on my way. I felt at that moment I hated him. See, immediately when he heard that what was happening to Masood, what grandfather said to Masood after taking away his dates, he felt really bad that he started moving away from his grandfather. He just don't want to be with him. His grandfather called him from behind कि बच्चे रुक जा, क्या हुआ, where are you going? He stopped for a while. That means like he hesitated a little bit. He stopped for a while and then he continued running away. At that very moment, he felt that yes, I hated him. I hate my grandfather. Quickening my pace. Pace means steps. Speed. Okay, so he was quickening his pace. Sorry, his pace. It was a thought. Now please turn the page. It was a thought, though I carried within me a secret I wanted to rid myself of. Now he thought that it is like a secret which I'm having. मेरे अंदर कोई एक ऐसी बात है जो मैं बाहर निकालना चाहता हूँ, that I hate my grandfather, and the reason why he hate him, that he doesn't want to tell to anyone. Okay, I reached the river bank near the bend it made behind the wood of acacia trees. Then, without knowing why, I put my finger into my throat and spewed up the dates I had eaten. Now, he said that I went to that position which I always used to see, that something is bending. ये river जहाँ से curve लेती है, bend करती है acacia trees के साथ, वहाँ पे मैं पहुँच जाता हूँ. And I really don't know why at that age what came into my mind, that I put my finger into my throat and I have spewed up everything that was given to me by my grandfather, because he gave him a fistful. मुट्ठी भर के dates दिए थे उसको खाने के लिए, ठीक है बच्चे, but उसने वो बाहर निकाल दिए, because he said that this is something which shouldn't be done, and I am not proud of my grandfather. What he did to Masood, what he was planning to do with Masood further, okay, it immediately changed the position of my grandfather in front of me. I considered him to be as a role model of mine, but now I consider that I just hate him, and I hate him from the core of my heart. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any question you want to ask regarding this, which line is not understood, which line is not clear, you can ask me, and I'll tell you that why we are going by line, because in your exam you are definitely going to get reference to context from your this portion where you have to explain each and every line here. Okay. Yeah, para 3 of page 141. बच्चे para 3 कौन सा है? Suddenly my grandfather woke up. This one? Mathly, is this one?
No, ma'am. I'm above it. I heard a low whistling sound.
Yeah. Okay, now what he's saying, that I heard a low whistling sound and saw that my grandfather had fallen asleep. meanwhile that everything was going on, the harvesting thing was going on, his grandfather was sleeping. Okay, then he noticed that Masood has not changed his stance. That means he has not changed his posture, his position, the position in which he was standing there only. But instead of that, like earlier, you can say like he has kept his hands in the pocket, or he was just holding a hand or something. But later on, after that everything was over, he was just munching a stalk. मंचिंग अ स्टॉक मीन्स एक लंबी सी एक आप लगा लो एक घास ले लो, a घास या grass whatever you will say, and he was just munching it. Okay, he was just munching because he knew it that these things are going to be away from him and he will get nothing. So what to do at that time? He was just you can say a kind of like he was nervous, he was worried, he was restless. So after, in spite of all those things, he was just munching it. Okay, like someone surfeited with food who doesn't know what to do with the mouthful he still has. Surfeited means पूरा मुंह भर के जिसने मुंह में खाना डाल दिया हो. Okay, he was just munching it. उसको पता है कि मुंह भर के पूरा मुंह भर के जिसने खाना मुंह में डाल दिया हो बच्चे, ठीक है, but he doesn't know that what he has to do with the mouthful, whether he has to swallow it or whether he just have to munch it and throw it. So what he was doing, he was just munching the straw. He was not in intention to eat it or to intention to throw it, but he was just doing some work with that. Okay, clear now? Surfeited with मुंह भर के खाना. Yes, anything else you want to ask, Metli?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, anything else anyone wants to understand, but say here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the character sketch of Masood, so ma'am, we will add both the points, the characteristics told by grandfather to the narrator and the characteristics observed by the narrator himself.
Yeah, but here the most importantly, the character sketch of grandfather is being to be asked. Okay, Masood be important here, but a minor one, but the major will be like grandfather. Okay, and when you have to write off the Masood's character, you have to mention each and everything what is said by grandfather and what is being observed by the other. Both the things you have to mention, because as it is, Masood's character has not been introduced. Okay, as it is not been introduced, but you can say like he was a caring person, he was a knowledgeable person, and he had a concern for the trees. That thing you can write. Okay, whatever the things, much merit person, you can write it down. Indolent, not really you will write, because that was the word used by the grandfather, or you can use a phrase like indolent as per grandfather, then you can explain it. Clear?
And ma'am, one more thing I wanted to ask, ma'am, character sketch हम past tense और present tense में से किसी में भी लिख सकते हैं?
See, if you are following a single tense form, okay, any past or present, then please make sure that everything is in the same tense form.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it should be in one single tense. It shouldn't be like in first paragraph you're writing it as like this is like this character is being taken by something, right? And then you are going to that was something, was that. No. Okay, any of the portion you can write, any of the tense form you can write, but make sure that the entire tense form is being continued till the end. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, anything else anyone wants to ask? So shall we wind up the class now? Tomorrow also we have a class at 12 o'clock. We'll discuss the question answers and we'll wind up this chapter. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So just give a thorough reading to the chapter, and then we'll do it. Clear? Tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, I had to ask that the Viva marks and we have given the internal assessment, the attendance marks.
Yes.
Ma'am, are they added in the totals of the papers?
Yeah.
And ma'am, can we get an account of which are the questions that are mostly done wrong by us?
See, very soon we are going to return. I'm sorry, your exam sheets, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will be able to see very soon. We are just waiting for something and then we'll return.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry. Clear, everyone? Just please
Yes,
excuse
ma'am.
me. I'm
Thank,
having a cold. That's right. Okay. Sneezing in between.
thank you,
So
ma'am.
tomorrow, okay, tomorrow I'm not saying for tomorrow that I will return your that papers. No, but tomorrow we'll have a class at 12 o'clock. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.